Here. And over there, like it's a very steep drop, right?
Yeah.
You fall here, if you fall, you die.
Yes.
I have no idea what to say. The craziest thing. That's so crazy.
Yeah.
But this is the end.
Yeah.
You have to go down here.
Yeah, but there. Baba niyo muna.
Taking a different path back way now.
Bro.
They told me that this is faster and we're just going up the river now. Jesus. This is what I want to. Jesus. Rocks, so. Somebody was shopping here. What's the most important is like that no bones get broken or.
Look,
What's that, Rizal?
that's biryani in these Philippines.
There. Yeah, biryani in the Philippines.
Oh, I see. You have like a statue of him. And this house is also abandoned here?
Yes.
Okay.
Kokoy.
Kohoy means abandoned?
Yes.
Kohoy.
Kokoy bato.
Kohoy bata. And there's two houses here.
Uray na lalaki. Yan yung matamis dyan.
Okay. A small house around here. I think it's a banana farm, right?
Yes.
Ayun yung binutas na igno.
Now,
Yeah.
look at this.
All the bananas binutas sa mga...
Binutas sa mga Pinoy dahil ang mga Pinoy ay... Oh, look at this. She's abno. Ayun sabi.
Hindi ako.
Sa abno.
These are all like fighting cocks, right?
Yes.
So many kainin.
Fighting.
There's more here.
Bandok kubo.
Hello, bodybuilder chicken.
Please, kubo. Nakapunta ka dito na sabi mo pa lang.
You wanna parkour?
Sabi sa akin yun.
Super surprised how I haven't fallen yet. Usually,
Hindi na ako. Nakahit ka na nga eh.
it's a portal.
Di ba ngayon?
Master!
Wala ka na akong pera. Doon ako na-jet.
Saying this is the portal here. Yeah, it's gotta be close. It's gotta be close now.
Wala na rin akong bibig. Go down.
And how fast can you look at the pot? Tama niyan.
Go. Here. Kita.
Here?
Go.
Go, this
This way.
Star jungle.
Jungle.
Oh, there's some houses on the other side over there. Crazy here. And over there, like it's a very steep drop, right?
Yeah.
You fall here, if you fall, you die.
Yes.
Oh boy.
Go.
What am I doing here? It's crazy. I have no idea what to say. The craziest thing. That's so crazy.
Bait ng baga Pinoy, no?
I don't know how to explain what's happening here. Like, my slipper broke, but they fixed it.
Sabihin mo.
Yeah.
Thank you for Pinoy.
This guy's an absolute legend.
Ay, no. Dirty. The chocolate water.
But this is the end.
Yeah.
We have to go down here.
Yeah, but there. Uy, baba niyo muna. Kapit.
Wait, give me a minute.
Video nga niya dyan.
I don't think jumping is a good idea. So this is the waterfall.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Ano ka nalim?
I'm actually. Oh my god.
Jeff, gano'n kalalim, Jeff? Oh, puti, magiging drone. Jeff, gano'n kalalim, Jeff? Sabi mo na. Ganun pa din lang.
Sa talon pa ba? Ano?
Pwede ka maligo.
You did it.
Yan, wala nang tao eh.
It's so crazy. How many times have you come here? Ilang beses pumunta ka dito?
Mga
Dati, mga
1 month.
a week, 3 times a week.
3 times a week.
5
Yes,
a week.
yes, yes.
You do this
Pag
once a week.
mainit. Pag mainit.
When it's like cold. When it's very warm. Sunny and warm, yeah. And have you ever had may mga aksidente dati?
Yes, yes.
Yes, meron.
Pero walang seryoso.
Tatanong ko, dahil may sandaan.
Maliit na aksidente lang.
Malit lang.
Okay. These guys, they're very brave.
Talon na.
These guys are absolute.
Tara, isa-isa tayo.
Mad dads.
Sorry,
Wow.
sorry.
Tayo, no?
They do this multiple times a week. Once a week. Even this road here is super like
Yan, tayo.
sketchy. Scared to even stand here. Oh my god. Jesus.
Del! Del!
Oh my god.
Del! Uy!
Here's the big waterfall. This is what I came here to risk. I risked my life to see this. It's super crazy. Even here it's super dangerous. You know, just one slip and you're out. Wow. Super crazy. Wow. It's a little bit of like a couple huts here. I want to check these out. I really hope that it doesn't start to rain again. Because if it does, then we're in a lot of trouble. See. This is what I came here to see. It's crazy. Wow. Crazy. Loco. Baliw dito. But I gotta say that I didn't get any injuries. My toe was hurt like way back in the beginning. But ever since then, like I walked like so much like barefoot because that way I wouldn't be so slippery. What?
Kaya?
It's okay.
Pakita mo kami, susunod-sunod kami.
No, I don't want no.
Pakita mo kami.
It's okay, okay.
Yan, talon!
Angat na, angat na.
Talon! Oh, angat!
Nagim.
Talon! Oh, my friend! Oh, look at this!
Hoy! Yes, Dorothy.
Yeah, look. Okay. It's in the rain. Come on.
You wanna go back?
Yeah.
Legit! Legit!
So it starts to rain too again.
Uwi na daw tayo.
Tara na.
That is the only way up, like in and out of here, right? Ito ay isang daan lang.
Meron pa isa ba?
Isa pa? Dalawa.
Daan.
Ano? Ilang which one is more ligtas?
Yes.
Ligtas dito.
Which road is more like ligtas?
Yes.
Yes.
Hindi naman tumanisasyon.
Huwag tilulan, Tim. Bawain tayo dyan mamaya. Diyan tayo?
Babayin tayo. Hindi na tayo.
I should have gone to church before. I should have.
Doon na tayo dumanong mas mabilis doon.
Uulan na nga eh. Babayin tayo niyan.
Yan.
Taking a different path back way
Hey,
now.
bro!
They told me that this is faster and we're just going up the river now. Jesus.
Kaya pinaka...
Peligroso.
I swim.
Yeah. I cannot put into words how dangerous this is for me. These guys apparently do this every single week. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. This is what I want. Jesus.
Tabi po. Tabi po.
Yep.
Say tabi-tabi po.
Tabi-tabi po.
Yes. Tabi po.
I mean, it is beautiful here.
It's a brush.
Sa isang magandang lugar.
It's dangerous.
Yeah.
It's a poison. Poison.
That's poisonous?
Batman is the eating.
Don't eat that.
Don't eat that. That is poison.
What happens if you eat this?
I will die.
Oh, you die.
Yes. That is my poison.
This poison. Okay. So like small green apples.
Backpack!
Really hope I don't slip and
Backpack!
throw the camera
Backpack!
to the rocks. Oh, somebody was shopping here. This is how we've been walking for like 15-20 minutes now. They're telling me this is a quicker road home. Just floating down here. This is what's up.
Slow down. Please. It's dangerous. Yes.
Okay.
Like wallet din. Sige, camera.
Jesus. Hey. I cannot explain how dangerous this is here. Wow. He told me that this is not dangerous for Filipinos.
Yes. Not dangerous.
I believe you.
Next dangerous.
Salim. Ang dito ko.
Sanay-sanay.
It's like the Darien Gap here. It's not good. Oh shit. Oh fuck.
At least.
Oh my god. Again.
Sira ulit, Sel.
Wait. See, the slipper broke for like the third time. But the camera still works. Thank God. It's getting darker, huh?
Say up the bodyguard.
Bodyguard.
Yeah.
Best person ever. Yeah. So what happened is I fell down before, and like half the bag went into the water here.
Kanina pa
But
tayo gumagala.
I think my phone is fine and the camera is fine as well.
3 years na tayong gumagala.
Yeah. This guy is the best guy ever. Jesus.
Nasa ano?
Wow.
Bamboo.
That's the waterfall number 1.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Falls. There's a falls one. Kabila is falls too.
That's one
Yeah.
falls too.
And we came all the way there. It's like 1 kilometer probably, right? 1 kilometer. Just through the river. And this is how we're gonna get back home.
Go. Come.
Okay, let's go guys. We have like 1 hour until sunset.
Yeah.
Wala sunset oh. Rainy
Yeah.
days.
Because it's raining.
Wala sunset in the
Yeah.
dark.
But sa dilim ito ay super peligroso, diba?
Opo.
Yeah.
Sobrang
Okay.
dilim.
Nandito,
Nakakatakot.
Amber.
May Among Us na lalabas.
Yeah.
Wala kayo maingay kasi.
Bodyguard, Jeff.
Body pain na yun.
Nasaan tayo?
Bodyguard.
Jefferson,
Yeah.
look at this road. It's crazy. Oof. This is an adventure I will never forget.
Pinahira siya natin.
Oh wow.
Whoop.
Yeah, I don't care about the mud. I don't care like if the clothes get dirty. That's not a big problem. Like, what's the most important is like that no bones get broken or there's no infections and stuff like that.
Very squishy.
I love berry. Kaya dito.
Faster.
No, it's fine.
No.
May maingay.
Stay lang kayo dyan.
Faster.
Lumuwa na lang.
Is a house over there? We're back to civilization? Ah,
Trespassing tayo dyan.
Hindi na yata ako kasama sa inyo, Jeff.
look at this. That's still very steep here. Ooh. Wow.
Silo. Alam mo, sabungan ko diba? Diba dito sabungan?
Ako yung mabubuhay. Dito ako eh.
We might be trespassing here.
Tagay na dito.
Is guava?
Bayabas.
Guwabag na eh. Bubo dito.
Look, just a ball. I found the
Hindi pa nakita na.
sea.
Falls one.
False one.
Which one?
Dalawa na po.
I found.
Yes, wala rin dyan.
I just found
I
this.
post two.
Falls.
Now we just go forward?
Yan. Wala sa na yung damit na yun.
Okay, wow.
Thank you.
Thank you, salamat po.
You tired? You tired?
Yeah, this is crazy. Wow. And you do this every single week?
Yeah.
All the time?
All the time, all the week, all the seconds.
But do you know anyone ever who has like seriously got hurt on that road? Like went to hospital from there?
Oh, chicks. Chicks.
I know.
We have a chicks in
I
there.
almost died there like 3 times. Oh, my god.
They go falls.
Yes, yes.
So very, very
These guys
dangerous.
are legends. That's so crazy over there. It's like places where if you fall, you die. And it's,
Yeah.
right now because it rained,
Rock.
it's so slippery over there too.
Adventure.
Yeah.
That's so very, very crazy.
And you never go there when it rains, right?
Yeah. Mike Tyson yun eh.
Mike Tyson rin?
Ay, Mike Tyson.
Muhammad Ali.
Please Aldous. Walang stock. No stock. Diba? Full stock. Full stock. Wala rin to.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, we're getting out before the
Jackstone.
sun sets as well, before it gets dark. That's very good.
Because the cloud is dark. Mototol.
No ISO speed.
Yeah, yeah.
This. ISO
That's
speed.
ISO speed?
Yes.
And they're helping him
Tira na ito ya.
go up this road.
So is your motor.
We were here just before. Well, not just before, but like in the beginning before the big trip.
Sikat kami ma. Panoorin mo kami ha. Subscribe nyo yan.
Okay.
Just subscribe. Your bodyguard is so style.
Sino yung tumawag, pre?
Papa.
Papa mo?
Okay. I'm back on the bridge now. Everything's good. There's no rain. It's still, I think we have still like maybe 30 minutes of sunlight left. This is the river, I think, one of which we were walking inside before. This was too far. No, I've gone to Happy Land, I've gone to Tondo, I've gone to a bunch of slums. So this is by far the most dangerous video I have ever made so far. By far. And there's no slums involved. Just some, crazy landscapes. That's it. I'm not gonna say I'm never gonna do that again, but I should have prepared. I should have had different shoes. I should have gone there when the weather was better. I was not dressed the right way for this. I should have taken like different pants, different shirt. Like I'm out here like a stupid tourist, like with this crazy shirt, and I'm going into the jungle. Oh my god. Okay, that's where I went to go over the bridge to explore some, some nice farming communities. This is what I was thinking before. Let's review the damage. But honestly, I'm in good shape. Like this shoe is done. Look at this. Like it got like split the back there. This shoe is done. And this wound that I have on the toe here, this I already had before. I got that when I was up there, going down like that little very mild slope. I'm very sure. Oy, fuck. Very mild slope. That's how I got it. And that's the only injury with blood that I had from all that, which is crazy. hands are fine. I got a little bit dirt on my pants, but it's like, who even cares, mate? Who even cares? I'm just happy to be alive. So everything went good, right? I didn't get hurt. I didn't fall anywhere. Actually, my shirt is in good condition. I didn't break any bones. I didn't, you know, I guess the worst thing that could have happened is like I could have like really broken up like bones there, and also, you know, the camera could have got, you know, wet, and the phone as well. But I guess that, yeah, you know, just getting to a hospital from there would have been insane. An interesting story, an interesting video, I'm sure, but very bad for me and very bad for my wallet. I should not have done that. That was too much. That was just too much. And sometimes in life you gotta know when to quit while you're still ahead, instead of just going on and on just because you feel like that's the right thing to do. And yeah, you know, I was lucky. Nothing bad hurt. I didn't get hurt. Didn't break any bones. Didn't lose my phone. Didn't lose my camera. There was like 4 or 5 places where it could have gone really bad. If I would have lost my flip-flop over there, I would have had to, you know, still be walking right now without, maybe, without a shoe. This is Ragnar Luxar signing off. I'll see you next time on Under the Island. We did another adventure from another place. No one else is giving you stories like this. This is like Darien Gap, but just instead of 3 days, it's 2 hours. I would say that. Anyway, see you next time.